show you how to join an open-ended piece to a closed piece for your next amigurumi project. Let's get started. So our open-ended piece is this eye bump here, and our closed piece is the head. So what we're going to do is we're going to work into the top of those stitches from the open end, and then in the sides of the stitches from the closed end. So I have contrasting yarn here. I'm going to go a little bit quickly for these first 4 stitches just till we get situated here, but you can get sort of an idea of what we're going to be doing. So we go through the head, and then we're going to go through the top of the stitch. We're going to do it one more time here quickly, and then I'm going to slow it down and really show you what's going on. So we're going through the head, so you're going to go under your stitch or round, and then you want to go through both loops of the open-ended stitch. Oops. So that's how we are going to create this nice, almost invisible seam. So let's watch that again. We're going to go through the head. So we're going under the stitch there, and then we are going to go through both parts of the top of the stitch from our open end. And you want to just keep doing that all the way around until you get back to the beginning. So we'll do a few more stitches here, and then we'll pull it tight and show you what it looks like. See? Almost invisible. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye for now.